Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bristy and today I have a DIY for you guys. DIY. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bristy and today I'm going to do my very first DIY video. I know that this is Valentine's Day season and everybody is going to do a gift or planning to do gifts for their significant other. So I just think that it's special when you make something for your Valentine. So I just thought that this is a gift that I actually made for Christmas, and I just thought that this will be a perfect gift for Valentine's Day as well. And I want to show you how to make this broken mirror heart on a canvas. I don't know what to call it. It's a heart-shaped thing, so it's kind of cool to give to your partner, I'd say. And this is my very first DIY, so I'm going to try my best to do it step by step. Sorry in advance because I already made the project. This is the finished project actually. Everybody wants to give their significant other something meaningful. It was really hard for me to do just because that it took a lot of like broken mirrors. I cut myself a few times. It just made it that much more special for me to make it, just to showcase how much I care. Let's see how did I make it. These are the things that you will need to make this broken heart mirror canvas. So these are the ingredients, guys. You will need this kind of type of glitter, whatever color you like. Obviously you will need broken mirrors. You will need whatever color you like. You will need glitter glue, and I will tell you why in a little bit. Use 6000. You can actually use super glue, but I actually prefer this one over super glue. And whatever type of brushes you prefer to use. I actually like this one because it's easier. And a canvas. And I would actually prefer you guys to wear a glove when you are working with mirrors, just because it can be really risky, because I cut myself quite a few times, just saying. So first thing I did, I made the heart shape with a pencil, and then I did the color. I painted this heart red, and then I was going to do this one black, but at last moment for some reason I changed my mind and I painted this green. But as I said, I was going to do this black just because it would look better, I think, with a black, because of the red and the mirror. The contrast would be much better with the black color. When it was wet, I put the glitter all over it, just because it would sit much better when it's wet and you put the glitter on. Then you let it sit for an entire night, or at least 4 to 5 hours. After that, I started with my mirrors, the broken mirrors. So as you can see, this is a 3D shape. So the tricky part was to come to these zones where the border zones, and then I wanted to do a straight line from here, and then after it was done I wanted to do the 3D shape filling. So I put some here and there just to make it a little bit 3D shape after it was like almost completely covered. But I didn't want to completely cover it because I wanted the peekaboo feeling of the red coming out of it. So it was done nicely. Obviously you should use your gloves to protect your hand, and I, as I said, used E6000 glue to glue this onto this thing. It actually didn't take much long for me to glue it. It took like only a few hours, and then it was done. After it was done, I just took the glitter glue and I went all around these areas, and I just put the silver thing all around it just to make it look like more even. It was very easy, minus the part where I cut myself a few hundred times. I hope I inspired someone to make this for themselves, or keep it in their house, or give it to their partner. And I wish you guys a very happy Valentine's Day from my heart to yours. Love you guys. So there you have it, you guys. This is how you make this amazing glittery broken heart mirror canvas. I guess that's what I'm gonna call it. I just made up the name practically, and I got this idea when one of my friends broke her mirror, and I wanted the broken mirror pieces. I didn't know what to do at the time, and I was looking for inspiration in Pinterest and whatnot, and I had some idea that I wanted to do something like this, but that wasn't directly given to me. So I like it, so there's that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My username is Bristy Frosty, and tune in for my next video. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and take care. Bye.